Hello friend, are you looking for the best PC cases? Please note this item's PC cases have upgrade. If you received a new PC cases then you are in the right place. In this video, you are going to review top 5 best PC cases on the market. All the CRC PC cases open selected best one personal Achillean the you reading reviews and odors. Okay, so get let's started to this video. Specification support MATX DTX ZZAW motherboard within 244 support graphics card 4 slots within support ATX SFX standard whole power supply. The recommended length is 140 support hard disk up to 4 2.5-inch hard disks plus 2 3.5-inch hard disk support CPU heat dissipation air cooled top support water cooling. The top supports 280 or 240 specifications integrated water cooling support 5 fans max motherboard support MATX DTX its motherboard within 244 graphics card support 4 slots within when the 12025 fan is installed at the bottom. Number 5 ZZAW IM01 computer case gaming PC chassis for MATX ITX mainboard support ATX power 240mm radiator orders 51 reviews 18 brand name ZZAW origin CN origin type vertical chassis type desktops model number IM01 front ports audio front ports USB style with setted to 63 supports shoulders within 39mm more than 10 pieces of full height. The thickness is calculated from the first slot. The width does not include the power supply line heat dissipation. Air-cooled top support 14,025 to or 12,025 to fan water cooling top supports 280 or 240 specifications integrated water cooling. Limited size 325 47 58mm. The bottom supports 12,025 to rear window 90 air fan height. Limit of water cooling head and CPU radiator is 144mm. CPU surface minimum. The thickness of the top fan and water cooling is limited to 58mm. Individual motherboard i0 vest. Please reduce the thickness of the Number 4 ATX desktop PC computer gaming case special shaped RGB colorful lights tempered glass support micro ATX mini ITX motherboard brand name NVISEN origin CN origin type other application TXSFX standard whole power supply. The recommended length is 140 when using water cooling and ATX power. At the same time the graphics card length is limited to 263 when using water cooling and SFX power. At the same time support 350mm long graphics card power supply. Water cooling and graphics card size and specifications are mutually restricted. Hard disk support up to hard disks plus hard disks. Behind the front panel can be flat mounted 2.5-inch hard disk 2 limited thickness 9 bottom 3.5-inch hard drive 1 shared with the front 12,025 fan position side frame flat 3.5 INCH01 hard driver 2.5-inch 2 side frame. When using SFX power supply, one PC 3.5-inch or 5-inch hard drive can be installed on the side frame. When using ATX power supply, one PC 3.5-inch hard drive can be installed body. The whole machine is full high-strength magnesium aluminum alloy. The left and right outer frames are 3mm thick. Double layers are 1.5mm thick. Large and reasonable internal space. Number 3 ZZAW C3 aluminum MATX computer case desktop PC tower ATX and SFX SFXL power supply ATX and DTX and ITX motherboard 360 240ths 120 and cooling brand name Braveman origin CN origin type vertical chassis type desktops model number C3 front ports USB style with side panel window application desktop form factor ATX neat hardware arrangement so that the case heat dissipation is better. The mining case supports 6/8 GPU simultaneously if the power supply power is big enough and the thickness of the GPU is less than 350 mm. The mining computer rig case doesn't come with GPU. Specifications, use, BTC feature, easy to disassembly item name, PC mining case color, black material, 1.0mm steel. Number 2 Braveman ZZAW aluminum mini MATX case C6 PC case desktop chassis D PC case with D installation for gaming, home and brand name, Braveman origin, CN, origin, type, Vertical chassis type, desktops model number, C6 front ports, USB application, desktop form factor 7450-265mm specification, 6U motherboard type, ATX number of graphics cards, 6/8 graphics card length limit, 350 power supply, support for placing dual power supplies cooling system, front 12,038 fan 3, rear 12,038 fan 3 I/O panel, USB 2.02 note, there might be slight error of size for manual measurement. The color's deviation might differ due to different monitor settings, please kindly understand. Package including 1 case 6X cooling fan ZZAW N1 computer case pull-out hot swappable chassis storage all-in-one multimedia 5+1 hard disk location for X feature 1. High-speed response, 2.5. Number 16U BTC PC Mining Case 6/8 GPU ATX motherboard chassis dual power supply bit BTH miner computer rig frame with 6 cooling fans brand name, Sunneedle Origin, CN, Origin. Type, horizontal chassis type, server model number, 6U BTC PC Mining Case application. Frequently used data can respond extremely quickly. Point 2. PCI half-height expansion bit, support half-height size cards within D180mm length. Point 3. Small size drawer structure approximately equal to 13L small volume. 170mm 354mm 217mm pull-out structure 270. Thanks for watching.